Menteri Katanat PHE ba Renekton El Tongkhar uloong ba ka jingpai jingpra jongka parti Kongres onamla ban keno yuba Vincent H Pala da ka ba uloong kalong ka ba snewbok na kabantao ba pala bauyo ban shimti ka parti ha ka por baja kini ki baro ha ka parti Kongres bat onamla ban keno yu namar balada shimti manu manuru kini kinjahi uba Tongkhar loong bakadei karai ka babha bagi MLA ka Kongres kila wan shakmat banai ka Kyrshan ka Sorkar MDA ha ka bayadei bat ki babun ki mat jong ki paitba Shushu uloong ru ba omla ban ong menta baka Jingwan Kyrshan ka Kongres Kadei na kabanta ka Jingmentoi House nam hajar pholai namar ba omtim bakini ki Ngut ki MLA ru House nam hajar pholai kindang yakhun ne em na ka seng Kongres.
I think I will not blame Bapala for all these things that had happened. Of course, it is very unfortunate for him that he come in such a time that it is a very difficult time for the Congress. So it is just that is unfortunate for Bapala. Otherwise, I don't think that this had happened due to Bapala. So, but just because the situation is like this, and unfortunately, he came at that time to take over as president in the Congress. Maybe even if somebody take also as president, this problem could have happened. So, to me personally, I don't feel like blaming Bapala for all these things. It is good gesture if they support, like they have done, supporting ILP. So to me, I don't feel, and that is the good thing, in fact, that all opposition, when it comes to the issue that are required, which are the interests of the people of the state, they should support. So I like that step that Congress has taken, and I wish even TMC also they will do that. They should do that to support the government when it comes with the issue which is the interest of the people of the state. Yeah, of course that, but you see, honestly, I appreciate when they say that we will work together with the government on issue base. So I don't think we will blame if they offer to join the government. Yes, I would agree that it's a desperate move. But if they say that we will be with the government on issue base, I don't think there's anything wrong to point out against them on that. That we need strong opposition. That's what. But when on issue base, as you said, that's why on issue base it is okay if we support, because sometimes unnecessary raising issues for the non-issue matters also, it just unnecessarily delay the things. So if they support the issue which is the interest of the people, which the government has brought, I think that is good. But yes, it is very, very important to have a strong opposition. So for all these 4 years, we had a very strong opposition, which is healthy to us as a government. So even though they have offered to extend support on issue base, I wish that they should stay strong in the opposition. It's too early for me to comment on this. Of course, to me personally, even though people say that everything is possible in politics, but as of now, I don't see that. Of course, the question is that these 5 MLAs who are there in the Congress, whether they will all stick to contest from Congress or they will switch to another party before the election. That's the question. Otherwise, about Congress working together with MDA government as we hope that we will come back, I really don't see that to happen.